Hi again. This will be my third problem for tonight in solving a concrete design by using SAP 2000. Again, I take the problem from this book, Reinforced Concrete Design by Delisania. And here's the problem. Problem 2.6 on page 47. The problem is stated like this. So, design a rectangular beam for a 6-meter simple span to support a dead load of 29 kilonewton per meter, including its estimated beam weight, and a live load of 44 kilonewton per meter. Use Fc prime 27.6 MPa and Fy is equal to 276 MPa. Actually, we are in this book. We are asking to calculate what will be the width, and then what will be the depth. However, uh, just to show the how we can utilize up to 2000, we skip on finding the width and the depth, but instead we just focus on finding the still area, because that's the common practices. We have a we normally keep the dimension, and we are always interested to find the minimum still area to be uh, to be put on the beam that we would want to. So basically, the answer in the book is 300 mm and 580 the section of the beam. So I will just show you how to design a steel area for this section. So the answer in the book is 5454, and then we try to solve it in sub 2000. Okay. So this is the previous calculation. So we click File, New Module, and click units, kilonewton, beam 1, and then 6 meter. It says 6 meter. Yes, it's 6 meter. Click OK. So close the 3D view. Seldom using that. So select the beam, assign, frame, precision, add new properties, select concrete, rectangular, and the depth. Depth, just like what I said, cheating on it. So we will put 180 for the depth and 300 mm. So again, we done the section. We make sure that the material is consistent. So it says that the material's FC prime is 27.6. So we change the unit. And then we type 27.6. Yep. Click OK for the reinforcement materials. We type 276 MPa for the yield stress. 276, and click OK, and click OK. So concrete reinforcement, I will select beam, and then I will type 30 here, and then 30 for this one. Click OK. Click OK. Select F62 and OK. So now section is defined, material is defined, the analysis will be beam. So we click define load patterns, because it says that there's supposed to be a zero dead load. Modify, and there's supposed to be a live and dead. So live, select live 0. And so we have two parameters now, the dead and the live. So click OK, and then define for the load combination, add new combo. So dead, always in the code, and the CP code we type 1.4. For the live is 1.7. Okay, so whatever the value of the dead will be multiplied by 1.4, the value of live will be multiplied by 1.7, and then click OK. So we are now ready to design, to not design, to assign a load. So click select the member, click assign frame loads. So I distributed in the dead load, it says 29 kilonewton per meter. So type 29 here. Oops, 29. Click OK. So select the member again, frame loads distributed, select live, and then it says a 44. 44. Click OK. Yes, and then so we make sure that although the weight is already 0, but just double check. I will make this 0 mass and weight, and then design concrete design, select always design combo, and then uncheck the automatically generate code based design load combination. We don't want to. Now again, we are ready to design. We are ready to check first the maximum moment. We don't want model to run, and then click OK. We have to save it. So oh my god, it takes so long. Oh, so run now. Okay, we have to save it. I'm lazy, so I will just replace it. So the maximum moment is 519.30. It's huge, and then we have to design. Start design check of structure, and then so OS. So it means that the concrete cover has to adjust. So let's try define section, modify concrete reinforcement. I will make it 50 50 because let's see, design concrete design check. Oh, frame section, wait, define section, frame section, modify. We make it 25. Make it 25. Just we make it 20. I hope we still have time. Oops, we cannot. So what I'm doing is trying to change the cover depth, because we actually don't know the parts going to use. So I will make it 60, and then whatever the answer will be on this will be our final answer. Sign complete start design check. So 475. So what will be the what is our answer is 5454.